Hello, good morning, students. Please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share, and comment. Today's transcription number 454 of Sir Kailash Chandra's volume number 21 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, the President, in his address, has referred to the various activities of the central government aiming at making Indian economy more self-reliant. He has referred to the third five-year plan as the most critical period in the national development of our country. He has expressed satisfaction that the work on the third plan, with its longer perspective and bigger targets, is making good progress. Sir, everybody will welcome a bigger plan undoubtedly, but in this connection, I would only refer to the review that has been published by the Planning Commission recently about the working of the plan during the last 3 years and the prospects for the rest of the plan period. Anybody who has perused this would naturally be anxious to know how this plan is going to be financed. There ought to be some light thrown on it. I will not go into the details. It has been stated there that the outlay of rupees 4500 crores may be raised with difficulty, but while making this calculation, the extra expenditure that may be incurred on account of the defense requirements and the emoluments to be paid to the central government employees as a result of the acceptance of some of the recommendations of the pay commission and also on account of the recommendations that are under consideration by the government have not been taken into consideration. Barring all this, they have said that with difficulty rupees 4500 crores may be raised. It is undoubtedly true that we have been able to achieve within the last 8 years much more than what any other country could have achieved within such a short period. There is no doubt about it, and I am also certain that with the power projects yet to work, with the undertakings in the public sector yet to produce results, the benefits of the plan will be realized more and more, but not the rose is yet to shed its fragrance. Now, we are concerned with the thorns, and the whole difficulty is that the thrill of this revolution of 8 years of planning is not being felt by the people because they feel that their immediate needs are not being satisfied. I would in this connection refer to the analysis that is given in the review published by the Planning Commission. In this connection, I would refer to the recommendation of the National Development Council that was made as early as May 1958. They suggested that the state should take over the wholesale trade in food grains and should work out a scheme for state trading. May I know that steps have been taken during the last 1.5 years to draw up a scheme and implement it? Sir, The same old story continues. There is no scheme worth the name. There is no apparatus for state trading, and food grains continue to be imported, and their procurement is also done through middlemen, and the natural consequence is that there is hoarding, there is black marketing, and rise in prices. Added to this, some confusion has been created by the creation of food zones. They have neither helped the deficit states nor helped the surplus states, and the result has been further increase in prices and more black marketing and all that. I would therefore suggest that immediate steps should be taken to work out a scheme for state trading and to have cooperatives throughout the length and breadth of the country as has been contemplated, and if necessary to have the authority of the law behind the formation of such cooperatives. Otherwise, the cry of production of 100 million tons of food grains by the end of 1966-67 will always remain a far cry. Now, I would only passingly make one or two references to the state from which I come, that is Odisha. The President has referred in his address to the all round development of railways. So far as my state is concerned, people feel just the reverse. They feel that they are not getting proper treatment in the matter of railways. I will deal with this matter on another occasion, and I will not now go into details. I would only say that if you take the statistics of the rail mileage that has been constructed during the last 8 years and of the passenger amenities that have been given to the people, and if a comparative statement of the different railways is made out, my point will be borne out by that. Added to that, you will see that some of the passenger train services have been discontinued, much to the annoyance of the people. Sir, there is no local train running anywhere in such a big state, and there is no passenger train running anywhere in the state during the night. The mail and the express trains are all meant for long distance passengers.